Hello, welcome to my channel Knitting, Crochet and Stitching. Today we will learn this beautiful pattern that can be used on the stoles, jackets, shawl. For this we need multiples of 10 stitches, and I have kept 4 stitches for edge stitches. I have made border of 4 rows by knitting 4 needles. Let's start making the pattern. Knit 4 stitches as edge stitch, 3 and 4. Knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now knit 5 stitches by wrapping double wrap the stitch. 1, double wrap, 2, double wrap the thread, 3, 4 and 5. We have knitted 5 simple stitches, 5 double knitted, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 stitches double wrapped, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 simple knit stitch. Five. Now 5 double wraps knit stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 simple knit stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 edge stitches. 1, 2. You can keep one edge stitch. I have taken 4 stitches. Our first row of the pattern is completed. Now we are on the wrong side and second row of the pattern. Knit 4 stitches as edge stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. This pattern is very easy and the beginners can make this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unwrap the stitches which we double wrapped on the previous row. Now wrap 2 times on the right needle to make 2 stitches and knit the 5 stitches from the back loop together. Knit 5 stitches together from the back loop. Make 1 stitch from the 5. We have decreased 5 and we have increased only 2 stitches on the right side. Now wrap 2 stitches again on the needle, right needle, and we are completed with 5 stitches. Again knit 5 stitches. We have completed 5 stitches. Now simply knit 5 stitches again. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Unwrap the 5 stitches. Wrap thread twice on the right needle to make 2 stitches. 1, 2 and knit the 5 stitches from back loop together. Make 1 stitch. Sorry. Knit 5 stitches together from the back loop. Yes, we are with 3 stitches. Now wrap 2 times thread on the right needle to make the 5 stitches. 5 knit simple stitches. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Unwrap the next 5 stitches. Wrap thread twice on the needle, right needle. 1, 2 and knit the 5 stitches together and make 1 stitch. Wrap thread 2 times again and knit 5 stitches simply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edge stitches. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my next video. Now it is only 2 rows pattern and we have completed 2 rows. Now the pattern will start again from the first row, but the place will be changed. 4 stitches, edge stitches, now we will pattern on these 5 simple 5 stitches. Double wrap the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now knit 1, purl 1, again knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. Now again double wrap the 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these 5 stitches will be knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. Knit 1, Double wrap the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. Now again double wrap the stitches, 5 stitches. Double wrap 1, 2, 3, knit 4 edge stitches. Now we have completed the third row. Now fourth row is like the second row. Knit 4 edge stitches. I have cut 4 edge stitches. You can take any edge stitches. You can meet straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unwrap the 5 stitches. Wrap 2 stitches on the right needle. Knit 5 together. Wrap 2 times. Knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have completed the 4 rows. 4 rows have been completed, and this is a repeated pattern of 4 rows alternately. I have made a sample pattern for you like this. It looks very beautiful on the shawl, stole, muffler, and very easy to make. Please try this pattern and comment how you like this pattern. Now this is the complete look of pattern. I have made another pattern in the light shade. How beautiful it looks. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please comment if you like my pattern and my way to describe the pattern. Thank you for watching. Waiting for you for the next video.